one of the projects I've worked on quite recently was an interesting problem that the business had. It was a financial services company, and they have to provide personal data to anybody that asks for it, when obviously the data is about themselves. And the process is statutory. It is obviously just a drain on the bank's resources, but they also have to do it within a certain time frame. And actually pulling together this information within the bank can involve a multitude of systems, lots of different departments, and I actually came to look at this process because they were getting slower and slower, later and later, having to put more and more resource into it, and yet failing. And I applied actually some of the lean thinking and lean process improvement to look at the flow of work, how it was being started. And actually the answer to this particular problem was not to start everything all at the same time, which is the natural reaction and sometimes counterintuitive for people to say the best way to get something to flow through is not necessarily to start it. It's to get the process right and synchronise the process and make sure everybody's clear and you put the resource in the right place. And in this particular instance, what would have been potentially £1 million process to do this was done with half the people that were already involved. The people that were involved would have doubled. So it was a significant step forward for this organisation to very reliably avoid any fines, make sure that the information was provided, and more importantly, make sure it was provided cheaply.